So now let's see how we can utilize psychedelic effect onto our image that we have right here. So over here you can see that I have an image on my canvas, and in order to apply the psychedelic effect to it, I need to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around onto color transform. So over here you can simply go ahead and select psychedelic, and you can see that the color actually pops up right here just like this. You can change around the level right here, and you can see that this is the psychedelic effect that actually happens right here. If I were to decrease out the level, then it simply goes around back into the beginning, as you can see right here. But as I increase this out, you can see that it turns a bit more bluish right here, and then you can see that the contrast changes up and the color starts adding up right here just like this, and it becomes much more crazier from that. And that is simply how you can go ahead and apply our psychedelic effect right here. There's nothing much to it right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.